everyone. Welcome to today English class. Today we are going to learn something interesting and useful. How to make a bed in English using the pattern if, will. Jadi hari ini kita akan belajar hal yang menarik dan berguna, yaitu bagaimana membuat taruhan dalam bahasa Inggris dengan menggunakan pola if dan will. Jadi if dan will ini tuh bakal kita gabung dalam satu kalimat. So, but we won't start with grammar rules. We will begin with a story. Jadi kita ini akan memulai dengan cerita dulu, baru kita akan membicarakan tentang rumus-rumusnya. Oke, lanjut. Today's story is The Bed by Anton Chekhov, a famous short story about a serious challenge between a banker and a lawyer. Before I retelling the story, The Bed, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the context of a bed throughout the story. The Bed by Anton Chekhov. Identify the structure of real conditional sentence using if and will from example in the story, and use this pattern to express simple bets or promises in English. You will also gain confidence in speaking and interacting using conditional sentence in a fun and meaningful way. Okay. Before we learn the sentence pattern, I will retelling the story The Bed by Anton Chekhov. A banker and a young lawyer argue which is more human, death penalty or life in prison. The lawyer say it's better to live even in prison than to die. The banker disagree. To prove his point, the banker makes a bet. I bet 2 million rubles that you can stay in solitary confinement for 50 years. The lawyer accepts. He stays alone in a room for 50 years. No talking and no visitors. Over the years, he reads books, studies language, and becomes spiritually wise. Meanwhile, the banker loses most of his money and starts to panic. On the final night, he sneaks into the lawyer's room. He plans to kill him to avoid paying, but the lawyer leaves a letter. In it, he says, I no longer want your money or your word. I reject it. In the morning, the lawyer leaves before the time is finished. He breaks the bed. The banker is safe, but he feels empty. The lawyer wins spiritually, even though he doesn't take the money. So, let's look at one important sentence from the story. If you stay in prison for 50 years, I will give you 2 million rubles. This is how the banker made the bet. And let's break down this sentence. If you stay in prison for 50 years is condition, and I will give you 2 million rubles is result. Next, do you notice the pattern? It goes like this. If plus present simple, will plus verb. More examples is, if you tell the truth, I will forgive you. If it rains, we will stay at home. If you try, I will help you. This is how we make promise or bets using English conditionals. Now, let's use this pattern to make simple, fun bets. You can say things like, if you dance, I will clap for you. If you come early, I will bring snacks. If you wear a costume, I will take a picture. You can use this in class, with friends, or even at home. And last, in conclusion, today we learned how to express promises and bets in English using the structure if, will throughout the story The Bat by Anton Chekhov. The story helped us understand how powerful language can be in making challenge and expressing intention. Remember, using conditionals like if you try, you will success can help you sound more natural and confident in English. Keep practicing and have fun using English in real situation. And that's a wrap. I hope you had fun learning about bats and conditional sentence. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Thank you so much.